In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a testimonial section to your Wix site. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned website owner, testimonials are a fantastic way to showcase the positive experiences of your customers and can really boost your brand's credibility. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you need to open your website in either the Wix editor or Wix Studio, depending on which version you're using. This will bring up your site in an editable format, ready for you to make the necessary changes. Taking the time to familiarize yourself with the editor's layout can be incredibly helpful, as it will make navigating the tools much smoother. Next, on the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a button labeled Plus Add. Go ahead and click on that. This button gives you access to a variety of elements you can incorporate into your website. What we're interested in here is the section options. Navigate through the menu to find Strip Section, and from there select Testimonials. At this point, you'll need to decide how you want your testimonials to be displayed. Wix offers a couple of different styles: slider and gallery. The slider style is fantastic if you want your testimonials to scroll automatically, providing a dynamic element to your page. On the other hand, the gallery style is useful for displaying multiple testimonials at once in a more static fashion. Consider what works best for your site's design and user experience. Once the testimonial section is added to your page, click on it to bring up the options to customize it further. Here, you'll want to look for Manage Testimonials or Edit Content. This will allow you to input the specific details of each testimonial. You can add customer names, which help personalize the feedback, and photos, which add a genuine touch to the reviews. Of course, don't forget to include the testimonial text itself. Make sure you choose testimonials that highlight different aspects of your service or product for well-rounded feedback. It's important to note that you can add as many testimonials as you need in this section. If you've opted for the slider style, rest assured they'll automatically rotate, keeping your site dynamic and engaging. Remember to periodically come back to this section and update it with fresh testimonials as you gather more customer feedback over time. And there you have it, a comprehensive